What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me inside the new Audi RS3, the 8Y generation, and like always we're just gonna go for a quick POV drive around a quiet neighborhood, and I'm not really going to dwell into stuff like ride comfort, because this car is it's a good do-it-all kind of car. This one in particular is spec'd with the adaptive dampers, so it's nice and supple over bumps. And yeah, basically for every day-to-day driving, it's perfect. But I know what you want to know is how does it feel on the performance side of things. So I think we'll start with a quick recap of the motor that's underneath the bonnet. So this car is quite unique because it has a 5-cylinder. It's a 2.5 liter turbo 5-cylinder making 294 kilowatts, which is literally 400 horsepower on the dot and 500 newton meters of torque. So I'm currently in the RS performance mode and I'm driving in manual, and once the road is a bit more even and opened up, we'll get to exploit the performance. But I'll actually go down into first gear. So the engine is mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, so as to say it, literally losing my words. So I think this one is the DQ500. I'm not quite sure, but I'll put it on screen. So it can handle a lot more torque and power compared to the one you find in the likes of the Golf GTIs and so on. It's quite busy this side, but I think I'll literally make my way back to the other side, and hopefully we'll get a chance to exploit the performance a bit more. Oh, but also the new RS3 is also fitted with a clever diff at the back, which can do some torque vectoring. So you also have a drift mode, which is called RS Torque Rear, I think, from the infotainment screen and all. So we've come to see it in other cars, its rivals, the A45S, the new Golf R, and so forth. So it's quite insane how these front-wheel based platforms can pull skids and do all sorts of cool stuff. I'm literally gonna make my way back. literally terrible. But I actually quite like how they've revised the paddle shifters, because in the previous models they used to be very plasticky, and the new ones are literally aluminium. They feel very nice and premium, which is a touch I highly appreciate. And also this one having the RS styling package with the Alcantara steering wheel and all the red details inside, they just add to the drama and character of the car. Makes it a lot more interesting. I'll try first gear now. This whole thing is just so explosive. Thank you. There's actually a stretch just up ahead where we can try do like a launch control, and it is violent in this car. Dude, did we turn here or is it the next one? Wait, let me tell you for a second. It wasn't by a circle. No, there wasn't a circle.
Yeah, it's this one.
Oh, it's here, ne? Let's do it when we come back this way. One of these up thing just gonna turn by someone's gate. Is new. There's this little dip here. Rory, are you okay with launch control? Okay. So to launch the car, you need the stability. I'm losing my words. Okay, so to do launch control, traction control needs to be in its sportier setting, and you need to be in the sportier driving modes, which is dynamic mode or RS performance mode. The car is already in RS performance mode, so apply the brake, throttle, and you're ready to go. And the whole thing is just so violent. Goodness me, the launch control in this thing is just literally insane. And just before we launched, I literally pressed one of the pedals by mistake and it went back to manual, and I had to do the gears myself. But yeah, we are literally gonna go back to the shopping center where we were doing the whole shoot, and I'll conclude the whole video right there. So yeah guys, that is it from me to you with this POV video. I really do hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, that's cheers from me.